up, everybody? We are headed south. Got me, Courtney, Bale, JP's back here somewhere.
There he is.
And then behind us we got
Speed check reported ahead on I-59 South.
Bronson and Jada. Their first trip south since being married. Nate Dansley, Nate's pulling the boat. And I've got a cart for all of us to ride around in. We are headed to Florida. Going to do some saltwater fishing and possibly go do some bass fishing. Never caught no Florida bass, and I want to catch some Florida bass. We'll see y'all a little bit further down the road if we see something interesting. Over and out.
Well, thank you so much. All right. All right, bye-bye. Yeah, where the road is, the Sailfish Drive, it's too narrow, so we're gonna park the boat. They have a lot right as you come in the guard shack. She says it's super secure. One of the securest places on the island. It's monitored 24/7, and that where people park their boats and stuff. And so it's like, is it okay if we leave our stuff in there? She said yes. She said you should have no worries with leaving your stuff in the boat. So you may want to take like a few fishing poles if you want to fish at the house, but she said the road that house is on is a little bit too narrow in order to park the boat there. So, but we're good. Nearly a 5,000 square foot home for 7 people. Can't beat that.
I guess y'all wondering what all that's about.
Oh, well.
We are almost in Troy, Alabama, and we get a phone call that our house is not going to be functionable for us to stay in due to damage from the hurricane. So they've upgraded us to a house.
22, yes.
We were on the bay. Now we're going to be on the beach,
Did you look at?
which I'd rather been on the bay to fish, but
It's
we're going to be on the beach, and some of the others want to be on the beach, so whatever. See y'all a little further down the road. Over and out. Alright, we're almost to the island. Headed across the big bridge. I think this thing's about 3 miles long or something. Pretty sunset. That bay's calm, boy. I'd like to be out there right now. There's the island in the distance. Anyway, back that way is Apalachicola. And we're headed to St. George Island. And Belle is ready to be there, ain't you? Look at the camera, babe. She's camera shy. You didn't want to talk to the camera? She wants to go back out with Mama's what she wants to do.
Sunset watchers.
Oh, look at this. Sunset watchers.
It's
Look at
pretty
this.
beautiful.
Look, that dude's out there throwing a cast net.
Yeah. Catching bait.
We got a picture of that on my phone.
Bill said I'll get you a picture, all right. Oop. Anybody behind you? All these people. We're on the island. Stores over there. It's got Courtney's favorite word on it, candy.
No, that's really that ice cream.
Here's a inn, ain't it? Ain't that what that is? Or
There's a store above it, but I think they got little condos.
condos, I guess it is. There's little houses right yonder. This whole road right here is just covered in houses, just stacked in here on this island.
It's the best pizza place.
Alright, we are at the house. We're going to go through the house and do a little tour.
It is.
And we had a place to park our boat and our other 2 vehicles. Sitting area. All of that. Let's go up. Nice table. This is the house we got upgraded to. Here's the first floor. We go here. We've got a full-size fridge. That's pretty cool. Bunk beds. Somebody gets mad at each other, they can always stay in the bunk bed. Got a king bedroom here with a bathroom. Oh man, it's got a big old bathroom. Look here.
Oh my lord.
Glass shower.
Holy cow.
Never seen that kind of green tile, but big TV. Turn this light off. Oh, we got on this end. Got a game room. Pac-Man. Some kind of marbles game. NBA Jam marbles game. What's in this closet? Not just a closet. Bathroom here. Tile shower. Laundry room. Big living room with a ginormous TV. A powder bath. Let's go. A little fridge with ice here. We got this room. Closet. Shower. Man, yeah, another tile shower. Nice bed. Whoa. Alright. Nice living room. Oh, in case anybody didn't know, this is Bronson. He's the one that, you know, blames his daddy for his missing his deer. Y'all seen him on there before.
Whoa! He grew a little bit though.
Yeah, he grew a few inches since then. We'll go up to the next floor. Oh, it's Jada. Yes, that's Bronson's better half. Definitely better half.
Thanks. It's not hard to beat his first time.
Whoa, y'all. We'll be cutting the
Oh, Jada done broke it.
Uh-oh.
I didn't do
Cut that.
I don't even know.
Hey, floor number 2.
Floor number 2, yeah. This is floor number 2. What we got here?
Man, it smells like
Got a little
weed.
powder room. We got a big bedroom here. With a bathroom, tiled shower. Man, we got tiled showers. Oh, it's got a rain thing.
Bathrooms are awesome.
You know what?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, there's Nate. What up, Nate?
Hi.
Hey, everybody, you gotta walk through here because we're gonna rate this house, okay?
Oh, I can tell you,
You
it's
got Bill.
15 out of 10.
Gonna rate this
I
house.
don't feel like we're
It's
allowed
great.
in this house.
I don't know. Oh, there's Jordan.
There's Aunt Courtney there.
Yeah.
What you think?
One here. Big tile shower.
God, no.
Yeah, they're very healthy.
Hey, everybody knows who upgraded the most, don't you? Jordan.
Oh yeah.
He went from bunk beds to a king and a tile shower and everything.
That's right.
He must have come down early and cut the plumbing down.
It's like that's the
Oh,
elevator.
that's the elevator. Pantry? How we eat milkshakes? Good night. Look at these tables.
This is the size house we needed when the whole family was
Look.
staying.
Yeah.
We got a nice.
We couldn't have afforded it.
We got a nice kitchen.
And this is all because we brought the rich man with us.
Hey,
Yes.
Bill's
No.
following it.
Lucky man.
It's the one that's got all the look. Courtney done called that on the way down.
Your gold nugget.
Bill, how many fours we got here?
Look at all these scores.
This is amazing.
Oh wow. Y'all probably can't see that. I don't know if y'all
I
can
have
see
not
that.
called her Bella.
We right on the ocean. Oh yeah. Hey, this is where I'm gonna eat breakfast.
I was gonna bring the bike up with me right here. You know, come right off the kitchen, cook it.
Okay.
All right, floor number 3.
No, I bet this is okay. I just kind of know that you can get it wherever you want to.
Nice. I wish they put a slide in as in the six.
It's got elevator.
Not sure.
Wow, I'm gonna use it on my suitcase.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is Nate's area. Big money area right here.
Yeah, this gotta be nice.
Yeah.
It looks like royalty. Man, look at here. I like the temperature in this room better. Nice shower.
That was really good.
Beds don't seem to be too hard.
Mm-mm.
I mean, they ain't like mine at home, but
You take us outside, Nate? Oh, this is pretty cool right here.
look at you. Oh yeah, this is nice. You'll be paralyzed.
The second one?
Yeah,
One floor up?
probably ain't 3 foot deep. What we got on this side? It's not nowhere near as cold up here as it is down yonder.
Oh.
Elevator door. Bronson's area.
Yeah, Bronson will be in there in a few minutes. He finds it.
Oh, he done found another one that's in there too.
Uh-oh.
Wow, 3 beds. 3 queens. That's crazy. Was these punching bags?
I think you sit on them.
Really?
Lay them sideways.
We shouldn't have brought our towels. I told Courtney, like,
But the thing is, the place don't look like it's ever had anybody stay in it.
Uh-huh.
It's brand new from what they said.
it had, Courtney said it had one review. But show me.
I'll rate it right now.
Let it in.
Full time?
Alright.
Check out that crane thing.
I see nothing in them guards. I do like the temperature up there a lot better down here.
Look at this, bump it up.
It's cold. Where'd all them heathens go?
Probably downstairs.
Let's go down one and check the pool out. Hey, where's everybody at?
I
Ron's probably gonna bring his stuff in.
Alright. Best out of 10, what are you ready?
don't know. Probably 9.75, 0.25 off because I wish there was a little bit room for parking.
What do you give it?
12.
No, out of 10.
10. 10.
You give it a 10
Well,
out
I
of
wish
10?
we could have our golf cart in here, so maybe like at 9.8. Yep.
I'm gonna give it a 9.9. It's about
9.9. I will give it a 9.5.
Beatrice Tompkins has a 9.5.
Yeah, because it's really nice.
I like Gamer's sweet
The,
too.
the
Yeah.
parking should be
I
bigger.
would like a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would knock it a 9.5 because of parking.
Yeah.
But really,
Everything else
it's
is
right
great.
here, plenty efficient.
Because,
They got the elevator.
I mean, I know it's a 7-bedroom, it looks like 22 people, but somebody got to leave a vehicle somewhere.
That's right.
Unless y'all all drive a little bit car.
Exactly.
You know?
Because I mean, the boat's only taking up one car spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can only have what, 4 spots, 4 rooms?
Boat car, pull up.
Yeah, let's go check the pool area. I ain't even seen that yet.
Bill? What do you think? Look, Barry, you can sit up here when everybody's gone.
Over there.
You can sit right here when everybody's gone.
Oh, wow.
Bill.
We got no lights out here.
Here we
I
go.
turned off the one in there somehow, but there we go. That's it.
Do what?
There's gotta be more lights out here.
Hey, y'all come here.
Come in.
What do you rate the house? I'm just saying.
It's a 10 out of 10.
What do you rate the house? 10 out of 10. It's 10. What do you rate it?
I give it a 10.
Really?
We got like 90% off.
That's
You
true.
can't beat that.
All right. We're gonna unload and we're gonna go get food. So, see y'all then. Out. Oh no. It's fighting whatever he is. It's a big speck.
Oh, it is. Oh yeah. Get that fat daddy up in here. That's what niggas want to call.
Yeah. That's what, 18 and a half. Look, hang on, Nate, let's do this. We'll know exactly. You won't get to move it. That's why I'm putting this towel down. Close your mouth. What is he?
Right at 19.
Whoa, he's just short of 19.